Hi, let me show you the system in Google Sheets for managing an outstaffing agency. So, what we have here, we have the main tab where we can add the contractors and create the spreadsheets for each contractors to log time. For example, when we go to this contractor spreadsheet, we see here a small page of settings. And we see an hourly report where this contractor can log their time and make some comments. In this way we can create indefinite number of contractors and then gather all their data. On the second tab we have basically the same information than on the main page, but with filters. We can filter by some fields. For example, we can select the start date of the report, we can select the contractor, or we can select the client, and the information will be displayed only for that client. We can select the type of billing period, the country, etc., etc. Then we have a button that allows us to clear all these filters. Let me get back to the calendar view later. Now let's review the hourly report and the client report. In the hourly report we can select any developer, and based on the start date that also we select to display in this report, we can see the stats in details. For example, we can select this developer and see the hourly log of this developer. Also we can see the contract start date, end date, we can see the rates, we can see the total client charge, we can see the total pay for the developer during this period. Let's try to select some different developer. So we can see that during this period this developer haven't logged any time, however the information for the developer is displayed. Then on the client report we can see the same information that here on the hourly report, but this tab is made for saving all this information and sending to the client. For example, the client wants to see the breakdown of the hours that were worked by the developer, so this report can be saved and sent to the client. Here we have the button Generate Client Report. It means that this report will be printed as a PDF file and saved in the Google Drive folder. Then the most interesting thing is the calendar view, where by selecting the year and the month we can see for each day and for each developer number of hours that were logged by this developer. Also we can see the totals for the selected month, we can see the year-to-date totals, and on this report we can see the highlighted days. The highlighted days are billing date, also we highlight holidays or weekends, and the contract start date and contract end date. For example, let's filter by the 8th month, by August, and we can see that here we have 4 contracts started, and after the contracts have been started we see the time charged by the developers. Then we can go to the September. We can see that a couple of contracts have ended in the September. Then we can see October. Another contract ended in the October, and if we go to November, nothing charged and 2 contracts ended. So this calendar view allows quickly see the total charge for that month and also breakdown by days and by different developers. Thank you for watching the video, and any questions, please let me know in the comments.